I am officially running for President of the United States, and we are going to make our country great again.
What is the difference between Joe Biden and a knife? The knife has a point.
Would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused. I haven't, look, I have trouble even saying to myself my own head the number of years. I no more think of myself as being as old as I am than fly.
Joe Biden will be in 3 states today: the state of unconsciousness, the state of semi-consciousness, and the state of confusion.
Why did the Mexican throw his wife off the bridge?
Why?
To kill her.
45th President of the United States.
45th and 47th.
47th. Yes, sir. I love Mr.
In 2024, I am the only candidate who can prevent World War III. I will prevent World War III. There's nobody else that's going to do that. Thank you very much.
Biden's being a